Sengoku Dynasty crashing, not launching, freezing, black screen, or not loading issues on Xbox Series XS and One. 1. Basic power fixes. Hard reset console. Hold the power button on your Xbox for 10 seconds until it shuts down. Unplug the power cable for 2 to 3 minutes, then reconnect and restart. This clears cache and fixes temporary software crashes. Disconnect external devices. If you have external HDDs, headsets, or accessories connected, unplug them and try launching again. Number 2, update game and console. Go to My Games and Apps, manage updates, and check for pending game updates. Also check settings, system updates, and ensure your Xbox OS is fully updated. Outdated builds often cause freezing and launch issues. 3, fix black screen not loading. Change display settings. Go to Settings, General, TV, and Display Options. Lower resolution to 1080p or disable HDR to avoid black screen problems. Switch HDMI cable. Use a certified HDMI 2.1 cable and plug directly into TV, avoiding pass-through devices. Measure storage and cache fix. Ensure at least 20 to 30 gigabytes free space on your Xbox storage. Go to Settings, Devices and Connections, Blu-ray, Persistent Storage, Clear Persistent Storage. Also clear alternate MAC address, Settings, Network, Advanced Settings, Clear alternate MAC, Restart. 5. Reinstall, repair the game, highlight the game, manage game and add-ons, uninstall. Restart Xbox, reinstall fresh from Microsoft Store, Game Pass library. This removes corrupted installation data. Number 6, profile and save data reset. Delete local save data, cloud will stay safe. Go to My Games and Apps, manage game and add-ons, save data, delete from console. Relaunch the game to resync from the cloud. Sign out and in. Sign out of Xbox profile, restart, sign back in. Number 7, network optimization. For online freeze loading issues, use wired Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. Restart your router. If issues persist, set up a manual DNS. Settings, Network, Advanced Settings, DNS Settings, Manual. Use 8.8.8, 884.4, Google, or 1.1.1, 1.1.1, Cloudflare. 8. Factory reset, last resort. If none of the above works, go to Settings, System, Console Info, Reset Console. Choose Reset and keep My Games and Apps. Only Reset System keeps installed games. After these steps, most players fix freezing, crashing, and black screen issues on Xbox. Would you like me to also include